What's up, everybody? Baldy 613 here. Today, what are these? What is that? A little bit different gear on. Am I actually? Could it be? Well, there's the C-Max. That's how she got here, and here's that bad girl right there. It's my first time out to the Doug Dunaway Memorial Track out here, Harrison, Ohio. I'm going to take it easy, ride some of the trails around it. There's a junior track and an adult track. And if I can manage to get this girl started, I'm gonna give her a go. And these boots are gonna take some getting used to. I feel a fucking thing in these boots. Same thing I do every fucking time I'm here. Alright, I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I keep stalling the bike. I was just sitting still. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm gonna sit in the middle of the woods and think about it. Well, I suck. Bike keeps stalling. I don't know why. I'll be sitting still and it just dies. And I'm exhausted trying to kickstart this bitch. So, Baldy 613, pushing my shit back and we'll pick it up later. Alright, let's try this again. So it helps to keep the gas turned on.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass. Yeah, we're not going over that one yet. Oh, whiskey throttle like crazy. Jesus, Rob, get under control. Very shitty. It was, just like that was. God, I'm death gripping that throttle. And I haven't used my brakes once. God, I'm fucking horrible at this. And now we have air.
Alright, like I said, Doug Dunaway Memorial Park was actually a pretty cool spot. It's only about 20 minutes from my house. It's got 2 tracks, an adult track and a kids track. I'm going to call it the novice track until I get used to it, because that's where I spend most of my time. I actually spend most of my time pulled off from the side with a bike that could start. Either I just don't know what I'm doing. I think it's a combination of 3. I don't know what I'm doing. For some reason the bike just keeps dying on me. I'm not really sure why. If I'm pulled over, like I pulled off to the side to let a kid on a 4-wheeler go by. That's how fast I was going. And no, clutch in first gear, and it just died out of the blue. Not really sure what happened or how it happened. I'm not really sure how to fix it. I know the first time it was my fault, because my dumbass had the fuel petcock turned the wrong way. I ran out of fuel. Fuel's turned off. Much deliberations, and I wasn't barely even into the track. A long, embarrassing pushing my bike back to where my car was. And some helpful guys there let me know how stupid I was and said, "Yeah, you've got your fuel there, guy." I said, "Thanks, I'm new. Don't mind me, I'll just be the stupid one over here doing dumb things." But it happens. I don't like the petcock now that I know which way it is. I guess I was bound to have an embarrassing moment to let me know exactly why or how it was, but I know the right way, so I don't plan on having that problem anymore. But when I'm pulled off on the side and the bike just dies for no reason, that concerns me. You know, I should be able to sit there stationary for more than a minute and not have my bike just die. I shouldn't have to blip the throttle to keep it running. Talking with one of the guys there, he had a 1 year older model than mine was, and he kind of told me some of the things he used to have to do with it, so I'm going to keep those in the back of my head. One thing I will say is, I'm new, and guys are guys, and dirt bike guys are kind of, I won't say like Harley guys, but it's kind of intimidating coming into this, I'm not going to lie, and I was nervous. Loading up, going there. You don't want to be the guy that does something stupid that crashes or something, and you definitely don't want to be the guy that doesn't know how to keep his bike running like I was. But no, guys pulled up, they helped me. One guy, he was riding around with his kids, and went back and grabbed one of their 4-wheelers and came back and offered to tow me back in, which is nice of the guy. I declined and said I needed to walk of shame to make me learn a lesson. So I got a lot, I'm real new, man. It's been a long time since I felt this uncomfortable on a motorcycle. Holy shit, somebody's fired. Goodbye, water main. Oh, that's awesome. I'm going closer just to get a better video. I'll turn around down here. Did they just pave this? He's totally fired. That's what happens when a water main really breaks. I love it.